Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 8 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 8 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter geometric measurement. The lessons we're going to cover today are area, perimeter and area word problems, area between two shapes. Make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? Here I am on the chapter geometric measurement. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is perimeter. What is the perimeter of this parallelogram? So for the perimeter, you need to add all the side lengths of the given shape, right? That is a parallelogram. Opposite sides have the same length in the parallelogram. So they are 15 plus 15 plus 12 plus 12, right? So when you add, they makes 54 inches. The parallelogram of this, the area of this parallelogram is 54 inches. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. What is the parameter of the parallelogram? The parameter of the parallelogram is you need to add all the side lengths, right? So opposite side lengths have equal side length, right? So this is 2, this is 2, this is 6, this is 6. So for the parameter, just add 6 plus 6 plus 2 plus 2. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 it is. So the parameter is 16 feet. So option number 1 is the correct option, right? The correct option is 16 feet. What is the parameter? You simply have to add all the side lengths for the parameter. So just add, that is 24 meters, right? Option number 2 is the correct option. Find the value of t. Okay, so if the You are given the parameter that is 42 feet, right? And two of the side lengths, you need to find a third one. We know that for the parameter, we have to add all the side lengths. They are 18 plus 18 plus t. And we know that p equals 42. So that is 42 is equal to 18. 18 plus 18 plus t. So just add, that is 36. Move 36 other side. So 42 minus 36 is 6 feet. It is the correct option is. The correct option is 6 feet. Option number 2 is the correct option. Sorry, 6 feet it is. Look at this rectangle. Find the value of y. So which is the correct option? Just add all the side lengths. Two of them are 18 plus 18 plus y, that equals 42. That is 36 plus 2y equals 42. 2y equals 42 minus 36. So that is 6. Then y equals 3. So the correct option is option number 2 is the correct option. That is 3 kilometers. Look, what is the parameter of the square? So which is the correct option? That is a square. Square has all four sides equal in measurement, right? The correct option is 60 inches. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the parameter? Which is the correct option? You need to add all the side lengths, right? So which is the correct option? That is P equals 16 plus 19 plus 19 plus 1. So 20 and 19 makes 39 and 140 or 55. It is the correct option is 55 meters. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Let's just start with the next lesson, that is area. What is the area? So the area of triangle is area equals half times base times height. This is the base, this is the height. So you have to do half times 9 times 6, right? 9 times 6 is 54 and 54 divided by 2 is 27. So the correct option is 27. Let's just start with the test questions. What is the area of the shaded region? Half times base times height. The correct option is 18. What is the area? Which is the correct option? Twenty-seven inches square inches it is, right? Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the area? That is 8 square yards. What is the area of this square, which is the correct option? That is 100 square millimeters. That is 100 square millimeters. What is the area, which is the correct option? Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it. What is the area, which is the correct option? The correct option is 21 square millimeters is the correct option. What is the area, which is the correct option? That is 24 square feet. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is parameter and area word problems. Each side of a sandbox is 9 feet long. It will cost $3 per square foot to replace the sand in the sandbox. What would be the total cost to replace the sand, right? First thing is calculate the area, right? So the area is side times side. You need to multiply it by the cost per square feet. So you have to do $243, right? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. The area of the surface of air hockey table is 45 square feet. Here given the area. The parameter is 28 feet. What are the dimensions of the air hockey table? So you are given the area and parameter. You need to find the dimensions, right? That is 9 times 5, right? 9 times 5 makes 45. And when you add 9 plus 9 is 18 and 5 plus 5 is 10. So 18 plus 10 makes 28 feet. So option number 1 is the correct option. A playing card has a parameter of 32 centimeters. Its area is 60 square centimeter. What is the are the dimensions of the playing card? So which is the correct option? You have to see the parameter is 32. The area is 60, right? The area means you have to do length time width. You are given two options 10 and 6 and 5 and 10. So when you do 10 times 6, that makes 60. So that means it is for area, it satisfies the area. Now the parameter is 32. So just add 6 plus 6 plus 10 plus 10. That makes 32. So for the both area and parameter, that is same. So the correct option is option number 1, that is 6 centimeter by 10 centimeter. A farmer needs to build a goat pen. The pen will be 6 yard wide and 14 yard long. The fencing material cost 8.06 per dollars per yard. How much will it cost to be enough fencing material to build the goat pen? So which is the correct option? You have to calculate area first, right? So you have to do the 14 times 6 you have to, right? You have to do 14 times 6. 6 times 4 is 24. 84 it is. Now you have to do 84 times 8.06 to calculate the final price including fencing, right? So you have to do 24 times 6, that is 144 times 8.06, that is 1000. 24 times 6 is 14 times 6 it is, that is 84, and 84 times 8.04 is, hold on. Oh, you have to calculate the parameter, not the um, area, right? Then the parameter is 14 plus 6 plus 6, right? 40 times 8.06 is 32.30. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay. The area of a rectangle living room is 30 square meters. The living room is 3 meters wide. How long it is? You are given the area. The width you are given. You need to find the length, right? The area is 30 square meter, right? A equals length time width, right? You are given the area, that is 30. Also, you are given the width, that is 3. You need to calculate W. So you need to divide both sides by 3. So that is 10. So the correct option is 10 meters. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is, okay, the next lesson is area between two shapes. What is the area of the shaded region? So you can suppose it like a wall and inside a window. You need to calculate the area of the wall excluding the window, right? So how do we calculate? We need to calculate the area of both the inner and the outer rectangle, right? Then you have to subtract the area of the inner triangle out of the outer one. So you have to do 14 times 12, that is 168, right? Same way, calculate the area of the outer one, that is 1365. So subtract the area of the inner triangle out of the area of the outer triangle, then you can have the area of the shaded region. So that is 1365 minus 168 equals 1197. Let's just start with the test questions. What is the area of the shaded region? So you have to do exactly the same thing. Let's just calculate the area of the outer triangle, right? That is half times base times height. Let me just use the calculator. That is 546. Now calculate the area of the inner one, that is half times height times width. So that is 225, right? So you need to calculate the area of the shaded region, subtract the area of inner one out of the out subtract the area of the inner rectangle out of the outer one. So that is 546 minus 225. So which is the correct option? That is 321 square meter. Okay, let's just start with the 321 square meter it is. Calculate the area of the inner triangle and then the outer one. So for this one, you have to do 7 times 15, 27 times 22, right? So 15 times 7 is 105 and 27 times 22 is 594. So just subtract, right? 594 take away 105. So that is 489 square millimeter. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the area of the shaded region? So which is the correct option? So that is 403 square miles. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 8 math. The chapter we were working on is unit of measurement, and the lessons we have covered geometric measurement, and the lessons we have covered today are area, parameter and area word problems, and area between two shapes. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session, right? So if with any of the lesson you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, right? Or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So any questions you can please ask.